spraying dog ass niggas, dog ass hoes, nigga whatever, you feel me? Teachers, know what I'm saying? Family members, nigga crackheads, nigga all we exposing shit, you see me? Part 1, as you can see, we just found the beat that I was fucking with, so y'all finna see a nigga go in, you know what I'm saying? I might fuck up, I might not. I'ma try to go in, dude. Yeah, Zimac. Yeah, Zimac Spray TV, nigga. Part 1, nigga Chris Bird, nigga DJ D, WIT, Paper Boss. What they do? Yeah, Zimac. That. We going in.
DJ D. I know we got the Table Manners mixtape dropping real soon, but like on some real nigga shit, I think we need to make a mixtape called Spray TV. And this can be like the motherfucking intro or some shit. You might be the liquor talker because I'm on that oil. Well, I'm finna spray these motherfuckers straight up. Lil' mama got a crib and I be all up in it chillin'. Gay lil' mama dick and now she all up in the feelings. A lot of engines in her, I truly do my thing. And cut them bitches off when they refuse to give me brain. Too much money in my life, whole problems can't fit. Cause these bitches gon' be bitches and these niggas ain't shit. I got some stripper bitches and they swear that they be dyking. The way they ride that dick, but you would swear that they be lying. I'm all up on that cat, but you would swear that I'm a lion. And when they suck my dick, but you would swear that I be dying. Haters steady hating, you would swear that they be crying. Swagger so smooth, you would swear that I ain't trying. Say what I wanna say, bitch, you already know. And if you looking for that clean, my dog got it full of low. Go where I wanna go, be where I wanna be. And they ain't gotta worry about a nigga doing shit to me. Murder any rapper, any beat you put in front of me. And if you want it too, you get it next, you like the number 3. Middle of the winter, born steady, toting summer heat. And if you don't believe we really bad, a nigga come and see. Call that nigga Paper up, ask him how we living, bruh. Roll to Tallahassee with them yoppers in the rental truck. Showing Fort Myers DJs fucking up the mix. Came out the shirt and finna punch that nigga in the shit. Reppin' down south and everywhere we go we hold it down. Goons on the road, firecrackers when we out of town. I don't need sleep, well I'm built for this shit. Disrespecting Mike Smith to get you killed in his bitch. That, see that what I'm talking about, bruh. Like shit like that. Imagine a whole mixtape of nigga just spraying motherfuckers. Lame ass niggas and dog ass hoes, I mean. I'ma go in one more time though. Check it. See, it don't matter if you got it, bitch nigga is still tricking. Know some niggas that was beefing with Smith who still missing. Know some bitches that be going to school, still stripping. Know some niggas that be loving these hoes, I'm still dicking. I fucked her, she sucked me, and now he wanna wife her. But boy, that bitch a rap just like we throwed her in the cypher. And he just wanna love her when they ain't never like her. I'm shitting on these bitches, boy, I need to wear a diaper. See, I just give them dick and I just act like I don't know them. And if they talking shit, then I'ma have to go expose them. And if they niggas want it, then them bitches gon' control them. Cause they know I be strapping, I will let that yapper fold them. I'm fucking with them savage niggas, they is fucking stupid. I tell them to go whack a nigga, they will fucking do it. So we ain't gotta fight shit, and they ain't finna talk shit. Wanna die, try Smith, that'll get you off quick. Sipping on that lick, watch my vibe in this motherfucker. When I get my buzz, boy, I be live in the motherfucker. Had an old lady, I was sliding on the low. Now I'm single, so you know I got a collage full of hoes. Got a real thick white bitch I was fucking with. See, she never let me hit, but she love to suck my dick. Got a couple model bitches only like me for the cash. Got some ghetto bitches say they like it kinda fast. Who pussy is this? Them hoes like it when I ask. Got a nasty Spanish bitch that say she like it in the ass. I don't ever do it, but I like it when she asks. See, I bring the rain, thunder, and the lightning to their ass. Smith. That felt real good, bro. You know what I mean? Like, man, hey, I'ma go in, bro. Like, fuck it. If you don't do it with me, I'ma do it. Spray TV, the mixtape, volume 1. Coming soon. Mike Smith. City Boy, DJ, the DJ, Big Cheese, WIT, Paper Boss. Somebody finna do this motherfucker with me. You know what I'm saying? You Zimac. Bum Rush ENT. Like that right there. I'm just in the booth, man, you know? For sure. We going in, we on that oil. We got beats, like Buku beats. We going down the line, I'm going in. No pen, no pad. Like fuck a nigga life, you know what I'm saying? This is what I do. Yeah, Zimac. Spray TV, baby. Dad. Come spraying lame ass niggas and dog ass hoes. For sure. You know what I mean? For courtesy of Bum Rush. Street stars, nigga. Street stars, nigga. Motherfucker, paperweight. That nigga don't answer the phone. That nigga answer the screen, be like, hey, it's your boy Paper Boss. And I'm like, I'ma hit you back if I fuck with you. Hey, nigga, hey, you must don't fight with me now. That nigga don't never call a nigga back, man. I'm tripping, bro. What's up? Spray TV, Mike Smith. We on that war. Cats INT. We tipsy right now. DAT. Dat.